normally I do 5 pounds. So for a 5-pound batch, you just boil them. It's not that exciting. You just boil a potato. And then you do a pound of butter and a pint of heavy whipping cream mixed in after you boil it. But since we're doing 75 pounds, I have my big pot. We can do about 20 pounds at a time in there. And the butter is going to look outrageous when we start mixing butter into this. I have a box of butter. I think it's like 15 pounds. Yeah. I got these tater fixins and showed up to the house. My kid was very upset to find out that I was actually taking this somewhere else and not cooking the taters at the home. So, we're going to fill his little to-go box first. First dibs for the little guy. I think this is for tossing salads.
Oh.
If I wasn't in a high school classroom, we would make all kinds of jokes. But little thing. Alright, so my taters are blazing damn hot. So what I'm going to do is, there's still water on the bottom of this thing and I need to dump the water out. So I'm going to switch it to a different bowl real quick. Dump the water. I don't know, if we were doing it in a pan, we'd still have to dump the water, so it's really the same thing. This is quite a bit easier than when I made the 60 pounds of taters, but my group of students was less compliant with me filming. They were a little bit too twitchy for all that. Now we're going to leave that. I'm going to dump this crap out. Ooh. It's hot. I've got to come up with a plan for this. Please don't melt on there. Alright, I'm going to dump this out the window real quick.
Oh my gosh, yeah, let's go.
Random screaming, just for fun. I'm putting the stuff back in there. I'll put some butter on the bottom, some butter on the top. For 5 pounds, I do a whole pound of butter, so all 4 sticks in their glorious butteriness. I was gonna do bacon, but I got bit by a dog and my leg was gross and I decided to go to the ER instead. So, sorry, no bacon. Plus bacon's gotten really expensive. Oh my God. Saw a $10 pound of bacon. Put that shit right back on the shelf.
Consider that. She left.
Yeah, I was surprised how many people left. They don't know what they're missing. She seemed like she wasn't super excited to be here today anyway. So, alright, got the stuff in there. We need some more butter. So we only have 2 sticks of butter. You know, it's totally insufficient. Also, we do 1 pint of the heavy whipping cream. So it's really easy to remember the recipe. It is a pound of butter, a pint of whipping cream. Everything else is just extra. So like the green onions, I throw those in. I got a pound of Mexican style cheese. You can throw some bacon chunks in there. Don't throw bacon bits in there. I was really sad to find out that bacon bits are not actually meat. Vegetarian girlfriend and found out that you can be vegetarian and eat bacon bits because they don't actually have meat in them. Shocking. Disgusting. If it's not meat, what the hell is it? Donut. Got my little masher. Gonna mash it up, probably until my masher breaks, because these things are flimsy. Nothing but the finest dollar store masher. If you're wondering how tough the dollar store masher is, it's not. Basically, I'm going to do this till all my butter is melted. I haven't added my whipping cream because that cools it off, and I want it to be like super hot for melting my butter. Now, as far as adding cheese to it, the heavy whipping cream and the butter make it all light and fluffy. So if you add the cheese to it, it's actually going to make it less fluffy than just having the butter and the whipping cream in there. So you got to kind of factor that in with your operation. But it's also just, cheese, which is awesome. So that's a good thing. And we'll just mix it in. Get some on the cabinets. Okay. Looks all nice and fluffy. Notice I did not skin the taters or anything. Just leave it in there. It is too bad we didn't get that on camera.
Oh.
Boom. And then
Is it good?
all right. Oh, it will be awesome. Alright, we got that mashed in. Now we need more cheese. So 5 pounds of taters, pound of butter, pound of cheese. If you throw a couple pounds of bacon in there, it also makes it delicious. But now it's kind of thick, so I'm going to put some more of this in, kind of fluff it up a little more.
Yo.
Why he's smashing the onions?
I'm not smushing the onions in there. I'm mixing the cheese and the butter and the awesomeness together. Boom. Alright. Deliciousness accomplished. And my kid was very sad when he found out this was for school and not for home, so I'm going to make him the first serving. Oh, it is so cheesy. So cheesy. Alright, get you some.
And is it when you're done?
Do we need to serve you since you're the camera person?
Yes.
Alright.
Dang, you came up first real quick, bro. You
Look,
hungry?
Akila's hungry. She's like the first one in line.
Yeah. There you go.